everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Talk. I'm Mai, and today we're exploring the word auspice.
And I'm Jack. I'm really excited about today's word because it often appears in business contexts, but many English learners find it perplexing.
That's right. Let's start with the basic meaning. Auspice refers to protection or support, especially from someone powerful or an organization.
Exactly. And it's often used in the plural form, auspices, when talking about sponsorship or patronage. I've seen this at many idol events I've attended.
What Jack just said about patronage means financial support or protection given by someone powerful, like how traditional Japanese wagashi shops often had noble patrons.
Historically, auspice comes from ancient Roman practices of observing bird flights to predict if an endeavor would be successful. It literally meant bird watching.
So the original meaning had to do with omens or signs. That's why auspicious means favorable or promising, like an auspicious start to a meal with perfectly seasoned appetizers.
Right. When I first moved to Japan, I attended a business conference under the auspices of my former IT company, which means they sponsored my participation.
That's a perfect example of how it's commonly used today. Now let's explore some synonyms for auspice to understand its nuances better.
The first synonym is sponsorship, which specifically refers to financial support. For example, many idol concerts I attend have corporate sponsorship.
Good point. Sponsorship is more commercial than auspices. Sponsorship often expects publicity in return, like seeing a matcha company's logo on a culinary festival banner.
Another synonym is patronage, which has a more traditional or artistic connotation. It's like how the imperial family might provide patronage to traditional Japanese arts.
Yes! Patronage often implies ongoing support from a person of high status. In Japanese cuisine, having the patronage of a famous chef can make a new restaurant instantly popular.
Then there's aegis, which is more formal and emphasizes protection rather than just support. Academic conferences are often held under the aegis of universities.
What Jack just mentioned, aegis, comes from Greek mythology and refers to the shield of Zeus. It implies authoritative protection, like a prestigious culinary school's aegis over a cooking competition.
Our final synonym is guidance, which is less formal and emphasizes direction rather than support. But under whose guidance should I choose which idol concert to attend this weekend?
Guidance is more hands-on and implies active direction. If you're cooking a complex Japanese dish for the first time, you'd want the guidance of an experienced chef, not just their auspices.
Let's consolidate these differences. Auspices suggests formal institutional backing. Sponsorship is more commercial. Patronage is traditional support. And aegis emphasizes protection.
Excellent summary. Now let's look at how to use auspice in a sentence. The most common phrase is under the auspices of to indicate official support.
Right. For example, the International Food Festival was held under the auspices of the Tourism Board. Mai, could you explain this usage pattern to our listeners?
When Jack said under the auspices of, it means with the official support or sponsorship of an organization. It's formal and common in business and official announcements.
For contrast, it would sound strange to say he cooked dinner under the auspices of his mother. That's too formal. We'd say with his mother's help or under his mother's guidance instead.
Let's review the key points about auspice. It refers to protection or support from an organization, is often used in the plural as auspices, and is commonly used in the phrase under the auspices of.
And remember, it's more formal than support or help. You'd use it for official backing of events, programs, or initiatives, not everyday assistance.
Exactly. Now, let's test what we've learned with a couple of quick quizzes.
Great idea. Here's the first question.